Morning all. Hopefully another great diary coming up. I say great, it's my work, isn't it? But we're on our way to Greece, and we just once again stopped here at Reims. I asked them to put us in the hotel here just because I want to try my drone out and see what I could get, and it's looking pretty damn fantastic, I have to say. So gonna head for Turin today, and gonna go over Mont hopefully and try and get a bit more footage up there. So really looking forward to this trip, so we'll see how we get on. It's summertime. You might think it's summertime in England, but it's actually France. Wonderful. Beautiful. Well, you'll have to excuse the rather large cameraman in the picture, but I seem to have left home without all my other mounts, so I'd set this up for a truck and didn't switch it back, so I'll see if I can figure something out. Maybe after tomorrow. We're just heading for the Fraser's Tunnel because we were going to go across the top over Mont but as you can see it's not exactly your average summertime weather, so it seems a bit pointless going over the top. All it's going to do is chuck it down with rain and we're not going to see anything, so might as well just crack on down to Turin and get a pizza and a couple of beers in, and on the way back hopefully the weather will be better and we'll go over the top then and get a bit of filming in, because I've got a few shots planned. It's a handy bit of parking. Yeah, although it's pretty scenic, it's not quite as scenic as what it could be. There we go. Hey ho. Little bit of a queue for the Frasers. Well, off we go on a Friday. I do like this little jet hotel. You get a lovely view of the mountains as you leave. It's very nice. It's now sort of just about 10 o'clock, so I'll leisurely start. There's no point rushing, is there? Because all we can do is sit and rush hour traffic. So off to Brindisi, or certainly down that way. So I've got about 1100k to do roughly. But finally the sun is out, and that's what we want. Well, as it's been mostly motorway, which has been pretty dull, I haven't bothered filming anything, but we're now, I don't know, we're still 300 and something kilometres from Brindisi, where we're going now, rather than Bari. Don't know if I've mentioned that or not. So I've just been taking it easy. It didn't really seem much point in filming dead straight, boring Italian motorway. So going to do maybe another hour or so and then stop and get some tea, because we're not going to be in Brindisi till sort of 9 o'clock time roughly. There's the Adriatic over there. Can't really see it through the barrier. If I was in a truck it'd be a lot better, wouldn't it? There we go. So I did have a nice view until I couldn't get the flipping camera in my hand. So, late Saturday morning now, in the town of Brindisi. Leaving the hotel, got a little short drive round to the ferry port, which is already delayed by an hour and a half. So I just want to go around and check it out. I'd rather be a little bit early than rushing about, because after Ancona, having to go to different places to get your tickets and farting about, I don't know what it's like down here. It should be relatively straightforward. Should be the operative word. Take nothing for granted. And once we've got, need to get booked on so we can fill out our Greek passenger locator form, because we need to know our cabin number for that. Greece and Albania. Right, we must follow for that then. And here we are waiting for the ferry. Unspecified carnage. It's all good fun. definitely not the super fast out of Ancona, that's for sure. Still, got a cabin, and I got a beer, so that's all that matters really. He has got a fine set of horns. There's Brindisi. There's a live fish transport truck there as well. Sunday morning. Got in here late last night because the ferry had been delayed. Port entrance is just over to the right. On the final leg of part one. Off down towards Athens. We're actually meeting a chap at Rafia Port, I think it is. He was originally going to be sailing out of Piraeus, but he couldn't get a ferry booking, so we're meeting him there instead. So I think we're going to ship back out of here, so we'll get time to go and play in the hills on the old roads on the way back, hopefully. Past 9, it's already 28 degrees. Oh, there's so many old trucks here, it's great. Just don't have the time to stop and photograph them, that's the problem. What an anorak. Well, job done. Unfortunately, I forgot to film anything down by the port. There we go, it's just a small port. It's nothing exciting really. So now just, that was Rafina we went to rather than Piraeus as originally planned. So we're now just on our way back to our hotel round at Piraeus. So it's about 3/4 of an hour away.